told the question was not written correctly, so I'm going to give everyone who I meet again the chance to amend their answer or keep their original answer.
I'm keeping my original answer.
How many letters are written and sent to Santa every day?
32,000.
You guessed 32,000.
Yes.
I'll keep you posted.
Thank you.
All right. Tara Tischer is back, the president, the CEO, and chief designer of Temp-tations. And she's got some stinking cute spoon rests.
Right.
And it's a set of 4, each one coming with its own gift box.
Yeah, so open up the box just like we were showing you the mugs before, and you have 4 great gifts. This is actually our Whimsy collection. So we have Wimbley. He, of course, has the sweet little hat right here with his antlers. We have Mr. Bojingles, our snowman. I did the sweet little cardinal on the hat for my dad. We have Gumdrop, our gingerbread, and then we have Penny, our penguin. So all individually gift boxed, and we have 3 great choices. So that's Whimsy.
Now, this is Winter Whimsy.
Yes.
We also have it for you in reindeer.
How
and here
sweet
you
are
get
those?
each one of the different color reindeer.
They're super cute. Look at their
Really,
little
really
eyelashes.
super cute.
Yeah.
Oh, my word.
Yes.
And then finally, doodle-doo, the red doodle. And look at those roosters. And we have the most limited number in the red doodle.
Oh, good to know. Okay.
Yeah. So important for everyone to grab what you need as you need it. And let me tell you, $19.98. This is part of our Under the Tree guarantee.
I love it.
Guaranteed to arrive before Christmas.
I love it. I love it. So let's talk about why we need spoon rests. I'm going to move the boxes out of the way. So a couple of reasons. I love to put these down the center of my table so that when I'm entertaining or having a meal, everybody kind of has a place to put everything. And I design these so that they can take odd-shaped, servers, whether it's tongs, whether it's a ladle that kind of flips around the table. Now you've protected your linens. Everything's, in the place where it's supposed to be. But I designed these so that they can also be little plates if you wanted to. So here I did a little charcuterie board over here with our doodle-doo. So look at what a nice, generous size that is down in front. Now everybody can use these as little individual app plates. So yes, they can be a spoon rest. They can be an app plate. I also love the fact that they're stoneware. So still same great qualities. You can chill them ahead of time. So maybe you're putting out a bar and you have your lemons and you have your limes and you have your olives and your maraschino cherries. Look how great. Everything's contained. Everything looks, perfect. Everybody can help themselves. And then you throw them all in the dishwasher when you're done. So spoon rest, serving plates, and
I was going to say final order of the year.
Yes.
Final order of the year and guaranteed to arrive before Christmas at no additional charge. This is something really, really phenomenal. And it's all the whimsy, pardon the pun, of Temp-tations. The winter whimsy, the doodle-doo, or the reindeer. And they all come with matching gift boxes. You get 4 spoon rests, 4 gift boxes. They should be 4 individual gifts.
Exactly. And what I love about that is, again, you can tuck this in with something that maybe you're giving as well, right? So the other thing I love, bottles of wine. So inevitably, we're always going to have a little drip. Something's going to happen. Use that now as kind of like your wine coaster. Your champagne bottle will fit on there. I love that because, again, everything I design to protect your linens, protect your hardwoods, and their necessary evils, right? We all use spoon rests. The fact that they're super stinking cute and they're all individually hand-painted in great stoneware that double as plates, you could pick up a couple of sets and mix these together.
Let me tell you that the most limited is Red Doodle.
Who's Red Doodle?
Yeah, only a 900 left in Red Doodle. If you want the reindeer, 1,200 remain there.
Sweet.
And Winter Whimsy, only about 2,000 remain. And we have so many people waiting to place orders. About 900 people. I love what you said about a buffet because think about this. This is now dirty, it's got a place to sit.
Yep.
This is now dirty, it has a place to sit. This is here.
Yes.
This goes here. Everything is ready. How many of you are doing buffets for the holidays, for a party?
Yes.
For heavy apps, whatever you've got going on. I love these as individual serving plates. They can go right into my dishwasher after I'm done.
Yes.
Because if you clean as you go, then you don't wake up to a huge, daunting mess.
Yeah. You're not stressed out because there's about 8,000 things to clean.
Because most of us go to bed just a little bit happy because we've had a lot to drink. And you say, I'll deal with that in the morning.
Yes.
And you wake up the next morning, you're like, oh, what was I thinking?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. So
and the linen's ruined, and your hardwoods have stains on them. Yes.
It's buckled and bubbled and the whole thing.
So you've been to my house. I get it now.
Well, I think I've been to everybody's house. We've all been there, right?
We all have that issue.
So this is what it's all about. You want to entertain, you don't want to wake up to the mess, right?
Yeah.
So go ahead, pop it in the dishwasher. At least if it's in the dishwasher, you're halfway home.
Yeah. And you know what I love about it too? There's kind of like a personality for everybody if you're thinking about gifting this. So roosters, good luck in the kitchen. Love the idea of maybe mixing this in with some of the other doodle-doo pieces that you have. But don't forget, these are now, because of the way I designed them, perfect as like a little app plate if you wanted to. Or maybe it's the reindeer. reindeer, I always kind of say if you pick up woodland and you're that collector, then I really do think the reindeer match perfectly back with your woodland pieces. And then whimsy is just whimsy.
You know what
so
I'm busy doing
cute.
right now?
What?
I
Tell
am
me.
addressing and writing Christmas cards.
Oh.
And then my doorbell rings and there's the delivery from QVC. Oh. And then I'm just like, I'm getting two things done at once.
Right.
I'm finishing Christmas cards and my gifts are arriving.
See?
Or I'll call my mom and I'll say, did such and such arrive today? Oh, of course I got an email. And she'll be like, something did come today. What is it? I said, never you mind. Just put it in the guest bedroom.
Put it under the tree.
Put it under the tree or push it under the bed in the guest bedroom. I'll deal with it when I get there. She was like, yes, sir, I will. This is identical to all those kinds of last minute gifts. This is final quantities of the year.
Yes, it is.
Whether this is for your own dinner table, whether these are last minute gift ideas, whether you're going to use them for your holiday parties coming up.
Sure.
Go ahead and shop with confidence. These are guaranteed to arrive before Christmas at no additional charge.
And they're the great stoneware, right? So if you've tried our dinnerware before, these are those great kind of app plates now, as well as spoon rests, because they're a little bit oversized. They're all individually hand painted. So everything that you've come to love from Temptations are part of this as well. This is also something that we've been doing now for a few years. We change them up each year because we hear loud and clear from you guys, spoon rests are here to stay. And there's something that everybody needs and everybody uses.
1,400 of these are gone now. We have how many people waiting to place orders, Brian? About 900 people on the lines. If you want Doodle-Doo, I have 400 left in Doodle-Doo.
Oh, no.
If you want the reindeer, 800 remain. If you want Winter Whimsy, I have 1,500 left with 900 people on the line.
Thank you, everybody. It's smart.
You're coming back for?
I'll be back with you. 3 big items in your show.
My little anniversary program.
For that little anniversary program.
Little anniversary coming up.
30!
All right, all coming up, but we have one more item to talk about.
Ah, one of my faves.
Before we get to the big anniversary show.
See you in a little bit.
All right. Would it be possible that Santa's most mischievous elf is here? Oh!